Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high memory, CPU, or RAM usage here on Windows 11. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar right here and type down Startup. Okay, Apps. Now, click on this system setting. Wait for it to load. And as you can see here, you may have a ton of enabled applications right here. For example, you restart a computer and everything right here will be opened automatically in the background. Okay, so what you'll do is go ahead and disable applications or softwares that you don't necessarily need when you boot up your computer. Okay, just use the slider right here, turn it on or off. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. We're going to download a simple tool that helps optimizing your device's memory. So go ahead and type down Wise Memory Optimizer. Okay, now go ahead and click on Wise Cleaner right here, or you can go ahead and download it from the Microsoft Store as well. So just click on free download, save it wherever you want, like so. Wait for the process to finish, click on the installer, hit on run. I accept right here, next, install. Finish, yes. Okay, wait for it to open, and once it's opened, here's the current state of your memory. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you right here, Task Manager, like so. As you can see, memory is under 39 to 40%. 40%. When we go ahead and click on Optimize right here, it should go lower. Okay, as you can see here, it is now under 25, 22. There you go. Released 4.30 gig memory this time. Yours might be different. Okay, so just go ahead and use this useful tool, and once that's done, you can go ahead and close this one, close, and do what you need to do. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.